Voice control lets you operate your Mini with spoken commands. Activate it by pressing the button on the steering wheel. Mini's intelligent voice assistant understands your natural speech. Forget about strict commands, just speak out. Tell your Mini,
take me to the airport.
A list of nearby airports is shown. During navigation,
find me a charging station along the way.
Or simply ask,
how is the weather in Munich?
Current weather at desired location.
Missing Siri? Activate her on your paired iPhone. Just long press the voice control on the steering wheel.
Hey Siri, set up a meeting for tomorrow 9 o'clock.
Your meeting is scheduled for tomorrow from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock.
Cool! Check out our other how-to videos for more about your Mini.